Hey tool enthusiasts, welcome to samaditech, where we showcase the latest and greatest tools on the market. Stick around as we dive into reviews of the top gadgets that can elevate your work game. The DEWALT Multi-Tool is built to replace an entire toolbox thanks to its incredible versatility. Featuring a durable brushless motor, it provides 57% longer runtime compared to standard models. With 3 adjustable speed settings, it's adaptable for a variety of tasks, and the quick change system makes swapping attachments a breeze. The universal adapter ensures compatibility with attachments from most brands. A bright LED light enhances visibility, allowing for precise work in low light conditions. Plus, as part of the DEWALT 20V Max range, it shares batteries with other tools in the series, offering added convenience and consistency for your tool collection. The DEWALT Cordless Cable Stripper is a highly versatile tool designed to strip thick cables with ease, accommodating diameters up to 4 inches. Its built-in depth stop ensures precision, stripping only the necessary amount without damaging internal wires. The tool's quick change bushings make it adaptable to various cable sizes, from thin wires to larger power cables. With an E-clutch system, it provides safety by automatically shutting down if the tool gets stuck, maintaining control during operation. The integrated LED light is ideal for working in dark or hard-to-reach spaces, and being cordless offers freedom from outlets. It also comes with a convenient storage case to keep everything organized and within reach. The roofing hoist makes it easy to lift up to 250 pounds of shingles or insulation onto your roof. Its foldable carriage is equipped with a durable yet lightweight aluminum platform and smooth rolling casters. The base rail is crafted from aluminum and reinforced with steel plates, ensuring long-lasting strength. Powered by a reliable lift engine, it not only delivers powerful performance, but also includes smart features like an automatic shutoff to protect against low oil levels. Additionally, it comes with advanced functionalities such as electronic ignition and a fuel cutoff valve. Designed with stability in mind, the hoist features large feet and a dual brake system for safe, controlled stops. Maintenance is hassle-free thanks to the oversized cotter pins that make cable adjustments quick and simple. This corded electric drill features a powerful 2600 W motor, making it perfect for drilling large holes in concrete or asphalt with ease. It can handle diameters up to 12 inches and offers 2 speed settings, 460 and 900 revolutions per minute, so you can choose the best speed for the material you're working with, whether it's concrete, asphalt, or reinforced concrete. For enhanced safety and performance, it includes a safety clutch and an overload protection switch. Additionally, the built-in water tap allows for wet drilling, which reduces heat and dust during operation. Despite its power, it's easy to maneuver thanks to its roller base, and the tilt stand provides flexibility to drill at various angles. Designed for heavy-duty work, this professional-grade tool is built to last and endure tough jobs. The second-generation Bead Bazooka is an essential tool for quickly seating the bead of large tires onto rims. Its powerful air release forces the tire bead to snap into place instantly, thanks to the rapid quick-release valve, making it faster than most other bead seating tools available. Despite its impressive power, it remains lightweight and compact, making it easy to handle and operate, even in confined areas. This versatile tool works with a variety of tire types and is available in models designed for cars, commercial vehicles, and even agricultural machinery. It's a professional-grade tool widely used in major automotive service centers. The Worx Aerocart is an essential tool for anyone needing to move heavy loads around the garden. Whether you're hauling soil, branches, bags of cement, or even a refrigerator, it can easily handle up to 136 kilograms. Its best feature? It's a versatile transformer cart. Attach the net to transport barrels or gas cylinders, or use the special frame for bulkier items. Plus, it has a handy tow bar feature if you need to pull something larger. The solid puncture-proof wheels require no air and handle rough terrain with ease. This adaptable cart can serve as a plant waterer in the summer or a snowblower in the winter with the right attachments. It's also compact enough to fit through narrow gates and folds up neatly for easy storage when you're finished. The Worx electric screwdriver features a fantastic semi-automatic bit-changing system that lets you switch to the next bit in just seconds by sliding a switch. It comes with 6 different bits, conveniently stored in a unique cartridge within the screwdriver for easy access. It can hold a charge for up to 18 months, so even after sitting in a drawer for a long time, it'll be ready to use. Another great feature is the screw holder, which allows for one-handed use without dropping screws, perfect for working on ladders or in tight spaces. If you're after a dependable, convenient, and versatile tool, the Worx 4V electric screwdriver is an excellent choice. The Multi-Trowel adjustable trowel is ideal for smoothing domes or curved walls, particularly on uneven surfaces. It features a 16-inch stainless steel blade with rounded corners, which can easily adapt to different surface contours. The blade is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, while the adjusters are made of durable aluminum, and the handle is reinforced with fiberglass plastic for added strength and durability. The grip is wrapped in marine-grade vinyl, ensuring a comfortable and secure hold. This versatile trowel can be used on materials such as drywall, plaster, concrete, and shotcrete. You can flex the blade to an 8-inch radius, adjust it to a 10-inch convex radius, or tighten the handle for a precise 5.5-inch radius. The Kreg Corner Hole Jig is a woodworking tool designed to create precise and strong corner joints with a clean finish. It's perfect for use with boards between 1 and 1.5 inches thick. The jig features 3 drill holes, allowing for multiple consecutive holes without needing frequent adjustments. It securely clamps in place with a recess designed to prevent slipping during use. The detachable drill guide adds versatility, enabling it to be used on various surfaces. Additionally, you can attach a vacuum cleaner using an adapter to keep your workspace clean from chips and dust, making your work more efficient and tidy. The Bora Portamate miter saw stand is a flexible mobile workstation, perfect for job sites or workshops. When folded, it becomes a compact table, but once you unfold the wings, it transforms into a spacious 7-foot work surface. The stand's 10-inch wheels ensure easy mobility. It's designed to accommodate most miter saws up to 24 inches wide, with adjustable mounts to position the tool perfectly. For added functionality, the top flips to reveal a flat work surface, while the saw stores underneath. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, you can confidently handle heavy materials. The sliding wings also feature level inserts for precise work on longer boards. The Ryobi compact cutoff machine is a fantastically versatile and effective tool capable of reducing through substances, which include metal, plastic, tile, pipe, drywall, cement board, PVC, and even vinyl siding. Its compact, lightweight design permits for easy one-pass operation, making it ideal for short and clean responsibilities. Featuring a brushless motor, this device offers advanced performance with longer runtime, extra energy, and better efficiency as compared to traditional motors. With speeds of up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, it provides speedy, smooth cuts throughout diverse substances. As part of the Ryobi One Plus gadget, it shares batteries with different tools within the lineup, making it a treasured addition in your series.